Hey, welcome to Grill and Smoke Barbecue. I'm Jeffrey. Today, I'm gonna get y'all hooked on this whole chicken that's gonna have a honey and spice kick to it. So if y'all ready, let's do this. Okay, so what we gonna use on this whole chicken, we have the Heath Rouse chicken rub. We also have the Heath Rouse honey chipotle rub. And to finish it off towards the end of the cook, we're gonna use this Stubb's sweet honey and spice barbecue sauce. I've always wanted to try some Stubb's, never did it before, so today will be a first for me. We're gonna see how good it is. Now what we gonna do first, I'm actually do the back side first. I'm gonna spray it with some canola oil to use as my binder. Then I'm gonna come with this chicken rub. And after that, we come with this honey chipotle. I'm gonna flip it over and do the same thing. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and make sure this char-griller gravity 980 is up to 325 degrees, and then we're gonna get the chicken on. I expect this to probably take about maybe 2 hours, 2.5 to be complete, and then we're gonna have us some good chicken to eat. See you out at the smoker. All right, so we got the smoker up to 325. Go ahead and just slide this in here. And since the fire is actually this way, I'm going to place the breast towards the heat. And I'm gonna check back on it in about 30 minutes. All right, this has been on for 30 minutes. Let's get a quick look. All right, that is looking great. Still got some moisture on it, so I'm not gonna worry about spraying it with any spray butter right now. And I'm gonna let it keep going. I'm gonna check back on it in another 30 minutes. All right, so this has been over here a total of an hour now. Okay, that's looking a lot better. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with my spray butter. Y'all know how I do. And I'm gonna let it go for another 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna check it. All right, I know I said 20 minutes, but it's been another 30 minutes, so it's been a total of an hour and a half. It's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and get a quick temp on it. So we're sitting at around 143 in the breast. About 145 on that side. About 174 in the thigh. So what I'm gonna do, go ahead and hit it one more time with the spray butter. And I'm gonna come back in about 15 minutes, then probably be ready for me to sauce it. All right, so I checked them. We're sitting at about 155. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it some more. And what I'm gonna do is next time, I'm gonna go ahead, should be around 160. Then I'm gonna go ahead and sauce it. All right, so we're up to 160, close to 160. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put some sauce on this. I'm gonna go ahead and let this finish out and take it off at 165. All right, so welcome back. We're finished with this whole cook took just over 2 hours. Just to recap, all we did was took that whole chicken, we sprayed it with some canola oil, then we covered it with the Heath Rouse chicken rub. It came over top of that with the Heath Rouse honey chipotle rub. Then we got it out on the smoker at 325. We checked on it every 30 minutes, sprayed it with some spray butter whenever it was needed, put the sweet honey and spice sauce by Stubbs on there when it was around 160. And then it just sat on there for about 10 more minutes to kind of give that sauce time to tack up. Then we took it off, let it rest for about 10 minutes. And now we're at where we're at right now. The best part of the show is when you get to eat. So let's not talk about it anymore. Let's go ahead and see what it tastes like. So I'm gonna be using my Dow Strong 9.5-inch shelf knife, which is part of the Shadow Black series. This is, I'll tell you, Dow Strong knives are very good. If you're looking for some good knives, I'd suggest you get you one of these or a couple of these. I actually have another knife in this series as well, which is my slicer for my briskets. So let's just go ahead and I'm gonna take a piece of this breast right here. As you see, it's still juicy. It's still warm as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. So here we go. That's good. First time trying that Stubb's barbecue sauce. That stuff is, whew, man, I'm about to start buying some more Stubb's barbecue sauces. As we know, the breast is some of the hardest to keep moist, but this is still moist. You know what? While I'm at it, let's just go ahead and try this leg here. Look at that. See that juice? Right off. I don't even know how I want to eat this. Look like it's just gonna fall off. Let's try it. Told you. Fell right off. Just some tender meat right there. But yeah, let me clean up a little bit. I'll be right back with you to close this out. All right, so as you can see, that chicken, bro, fall apart, tender, juicy, and that sauce was just amazing. So, hey, thank you for joining me. If you're a subscriber already, thank you for always coming back. If you're not a subscriber yet, consider hitting that subscribe button, ringing that bell so you can get notified when new content drops, and hit that thumbs up. Really helps me in my channel. And outside of that, I appreciate you for rocking with me today, and I'll catch you next time. Make sure you get out there and cook something for yourselves. Peace.